Hey everyone, welcome back to the Day Trade with Tony Small Account Challenge 2023. So we've had a bad day yesterday, but we've bettered that today and we've had a good green day today. So what's actually happened today? We traded two stocks. We traded RBLX pre-market on earnings, and we managed to make $723 in total on RBLX. And then later in the day, we saw TNON Medical actually got called out in the Discord. TNON Medical started to make a move up, broke the $2 level. So we traded that coming into power hour, and we made another $450 on TNON Medical. So two stocks, two green trades, not just over goal, because today's goal was $500 based on we had a drawdown yesterday to recover from. We lost a little over $1,000 yesterday, but we've made a little over $1,100 today. So we've recovered the drawdown in one day, and we're twice over goal, more than twice over goal. So essentially, we've had a really, really good day. Now, we're looking for 5% growth each day. And today we managed to get a little over 12%, so more than double the goal today. So how's that looking? How did we do it, and how's that looking? Well, let's have a look how we did it first. So we traded RBLX pre-market. That was the first thing that we traded, and we were able to get in here. We got in here. We missed this initial move. This would have been great to actually get in on the earnings, maybe get in around $39 and ride that up. So we got in there as we made this move here. So we got a pull back. We made the move there. It didn't break out as I want, so I just held through this. And then when it made this break up here, that's when we got out and were able to take just a little over $700 on that move because of this little spike here. RBLX was great today. Later in the day, it just kept on moving up and up and up. We traded it in the large account, and you can pop across onto the large account video a little bit later to see how I got on there. But that was the first trade that we traded. Then we traded TNON Medical. So TNON Medical started to make a move up towards the end of the day. So we traded it here, just coming into power hour, and it halted up very quickly. I don't know, there's a whole bunch of people probably got in there, and I waited for the break. I took a position here, and then was able to make some profits. And then as it flushed back down, we actually gave it a little bit back. We got back in as it made new highs, and we were able to take some profits on the way up there, and we got stopped out as it pulled back here. So that was TNON Medical. We made $450 on that. So very, very happy with trading TNON Medical as well. So all in all, $1,173.16. So what does that look like on the day? What does that look like on the week? What does that look like on the challenge? So since the 17th of January. So let's take a look, shall we? Okay, so we started the small account challenge, $2,476. So $2,500 on the 17th of January. We had a really good 9 good trading days in January, all green. The goal has always been to get 5% or better. Then we came into February. We had our first drawdown last Monday, so Monday the 6th. We had our second drawdown yesterday, which was 1078. So we've just cleared that drawdown straight away the day after. So we're taking 2 trades today. So what does that look like on the overall numbers for right now? So overall on the challenge, we're 11,000 in profit from a $2,500 account. Trade selection still very good. We had taken 2 trades today. Both of them are profitable trades. So we're better than 5 to 1. 32 winning trades, only 6 losing trades so far. What I want to say here is that both times we've had a drawdown so far, we recovered it the next day we traded. So very happy with that. Not actually looking to over goal, not looking to recover the drawdown the day after. I was happy just to trade Roblox on earnings this morning. But look, if it's going to give us money to trade something else that starts moving, a smaller stock, smaller price stock, then why not? So that's what that's what we've done. So a K ratio, the whole challenge, over 4. So a good K ratio is 2. So we're back up to the highs. We're at $11,000. We're growing the account really nice. We've traded a little over 4 weeks, and we've had, quite frankly, a great start to this this small account challenge. So where does that take us? If we continue, like at the moment, we're averaging a little over 10% average gain per day in terms of equity growth. Well, that's more than double where we expected to be. We've still got, half the month left in terms of trading. Today is the 15th. I know there's only 28 days in February, but we've got eight trading days left. If we can continue to grow, just getting the average of what we've got right now, it's $600 per day. We can probably get to $20,000, between $16,000 and $20,000 by the end of February. Ideally, what we want to be doing is just continuing to grow 5% day by day, and that's what I'm trying to show here is the compounding effect of having that 5% growth target. And working out what it is that we're trying to achieve on a day-by-day basis. If I look at what my target will be tomorrow, based on my own kind of back of the maths, so a little over $11,000 in equity position, 10,787 is what we should be at, unless we've got additional charges, maybe a little bit less than that. So we're looking for 540. 540 will get us to go tomorrow. If we get more than 540, even great. But that's essentially what our goal is tomorrow. We're back at it tomorrow, an hour before the market opens. So that's 8:30 a.m. market time. That's 1:30 p.m. my time. So come join me. We'll see if we can get not just over goal, but have another good green day tomorrow. We're putting a nice little streak together. Before yesterday's drawdown, we need to build upon today's green day and build another streak going forward. Hopefully get to the end of the month without any further red days. That would be really good growth on the small account. So come join me tomorrow. Hit the thumbs up button before we finish up, and I will see you soon. Take care. Enjoy your evening. That's drawdown covered. Done. And back to where we were. Oh. That'll do.